Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro gini long ki khubor bam takasngi. Usimbot Menteri Rangba Presiden Tensong ulo ong ba onne daga jing ya Pynshitom tyngeh ya ki balum pisa be-aiñ na ki dukan kentup naga HNLC ban na ki NGO. Ukentu ya ki padba bakin pentip sya ka sarkar ladayo ki demand note daga bakular ba on shimkhya mardon. Ula pen paru kajing sngokya ba bon kim ju pentim ka ba penwit ya kajing trai ki bor pulhen.
What about the talks with an HNLC? How do you see it? Is there any possible to have?
I don't know, but the door is still open. I keep saying this. I think 100 times I've already told you that the door is still open. If they want to talk, we are ready for talk.
From a government side, will you take any initiative of contacting their interlocutor for the?
As I said to you, the door is open from our side. It is up to them whether the door is open or not, whether the window is open or not. It is up to them to decide. If they want to contact us, we are ready. I mean, our phone is always open.
By the after this this surrender of two HNLC members recently, they have mentioned that they have fled to Bangladesh. So, is there any possibility that more HNLC members are residing in the neighboring countries, are getting shelter in the neighboring countries?
See, I'm sure other members will also realize one day that the career of themselves is ending nowhere, is leading nowhere. For example, like these two boys who surrendered themselves. Why they did that? Because ultimately they realize one thing, that they need their career. They are only in the age of maybe below 30. So they need their career more than anything else. So ultimately they join back the mainstream. So I would appeal all other members also to kindly follow the footsteps of those two boys who recently surrendered.
But do you see that more members of HNLC are taking shelter in the neighboring country?
That I have nothing to say. I can't say anything. I cannot comment anything. But of course, our police force are very much alert about all this.
There is a related question. There was a threat against a businessman by HNLC.
Sorry?
There was a threat against a businessman by the HNLC following this hawkers issue. Are you aware about it, or are you providing any?
No. Threat for what?
He passed some comments, so they are saying to get out of that.
See, I'm telling you, it is not that we wanted to victimize the hawkers. In fact, this is done for their own goods. And can you imagine? I think our spokesperson, Mr. Polangdo, yesterday he must have already explained to all of you. You will not find the government who really thinking seriously about the interests of the hawkers. See, like a shifting allowance. We decided to give them 10,000 rupees, and plus, once they shifted to that designated place, again, initially for 5 months, 2,000 per month will be paid to the concerned registered COVs.
No, HNLC, I'm saying about HNLC. HNLC issued a threat against a businessman to leave the city since he was passing some adverse comments.
Well, I think nobody can take the law in their own hand, and let the law prevails. And whether HNLC or anybody who just give that kind of threat, government is there to protect them.
And what about the extortion by certain groups to the businessmen that was there in the news sometimes
No,
back?
if there is any kind of collection of fund or money illegally by any group of people, by any individual, law again will take action accordingly. We have to.
But since the lot of demand notes, lot of extortion notes has come forward in various viral.
No, that has been done. That's what I'm telling. Whatever we receive, once the letter, the demand note, or whatever, if the concerned individual send it to us, then action will be taken accordingly. But the problem is sometimes even those people who receive such letter or such demand, They never complain, they never inform the government machinery. So I would request all the concerned, in case if they receive any kind of demand note from anywhere, please come forward, inform the government, and action will be taken accordingly.
Will there be any sumato action in this regard?
Yes, it is. It is. That is the ongoing process. We are doing it. Okay.